What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money, and you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website, and then I'll see you on the video. Currently this week, personally didn't enter many trades. I was just sticking to my plan, looking for high quality setups. I sent you most of the setups that I was looking at. And those are the trades that I executed. Same with GBUSD yesterday, that after I moved to break even, I hit my break even. With that being said, during this live trading session, you can ask me any question. As always, for those of you who are new, if you want me to take a look at your charts, you need to send the link of your chart and I will take a look and then tell you what I think about it, basically. Now, so far, I just go over some pairs. Overall, we have EUR/USD right here, touching this supply. Of course, there is a higher supply, which is very interesting. I don't know if you took a look at the backtesting file, but this order block manipulates and breaks structure to the downside. So this is a very good order block. Of course, also this one was a good order block that was also at a premium price level right here. And therefore we were looking for sells. But again, we were consolidating a lot, therefore it was not very easy to execute these sells. Now, CAD JPY wasn't really interested in looking at possible trades into CAD JPY. As you can see, is very messy price action. The only clear move that we have is this move to the upside, this strong retracement. But I was not really interested into this setup overall. NZD JPY, this is the chart that I sent. This is a trade that we missed. I saw on this was our key area. We reached it. I didn't execute buys from here. I was waiting for confirmation. We had confirmation right here, breaking to the upside. This supply is failing. This demand is in control. I was looking for buys from demand. I was considering this low as a liquidity low, and then we just didn't grab it. We just respected this low and went to the upside. So I didn't get triggered. My order didn't trigger. Therefore, no trade on NZD JPY just by a few pips. These are about 6 pips. Didn't get triggered for 6 pips, but this could have been an amazing trade, 1 to 5. Let's see, we have some questions already. When do we move to break even? It depends. If there are news, I try to be break even before news. If there are not news and we just create we just break structure, then I usually move break even. I will try to show you more examples. For example, here, if we get triggered and we made this move to the upside, after breaking this structure with this move to the upside, I will move it to break even if my order block down here is mitigated. So for example, if there is an order block here, then I might not move it to break even after we have the second break structure right here, for example. How do you backtest your strategy? You go on TradingView, you use the replay function, and you backtest your strategy step by step. When can we expect lower timeframes entries backtesting file? I just shared yesterday the higher timeframes point of interest. You should study that a lot and refine that. You can be profitable with what you have already. There are hundreds of students being profitable with the course and with the refinement that I'm sharing, and I'm sharing every single day case studies. So I will just do a backtesting file for lower timeframes, but everything you need is already here. If you have doubts about lower timeframes, go to case studies. You can see my case studies right here, both for losses and wins, and you just go over that and I explain my reasoning behind every trade, basically. So of course I will share the backtesting file probably next month during March. First I need to, I did backtest already. I have a backtesting file already for the lower timeframes entries, but at the same time, I need to do many more examples to share with you. We have some charts, AUD, NZD. I see this trend line. Okay, this is trend line liquidity, kinda, yeah. I would draw it more considering these points, but anyway, you're taking this order block below liquidity. Overall, this is good. This is an order block that manipulates this previous low and breaks to the upside. So this order block is very good. Also, you are looking to buy below this low, considering this low as liquidity. So this is overall very good. I like it. The only thing I don't like here is that the pair is AUD NZD, which I don't like to trade, and I don't trade at all. But other than that, it's good. We have some more analysis, so we will just take a look at the analysis from members right now. Gold. If these are all your trades and you got all these trades, this is great. Overall, I see that you're following market structure with the Asian range. This is very good. Also here, break to the upside, retracement to demand, which is in control after breaking supply. This is overall everything on the 1 minute. And of course, 1 minute can be very confusing, can change structure a lot, but overall, this is great. I don't know if these are just markups or trades that you actually took, but yeah. New York session is also about to start, and we should see some momentum kick in after it starts. So here we have GBP CHF, I believe. We have manipulation to the upside, taking liquidity of this previous high and break to the downside. So this is a very good order block with imbalance. And here liquidity of both the highs and trend lines. So this is great. I will look for sells too. Could you please tell about RSI set that you use? I don't use RSI. If you see it on my trading view, it is not for trading. It's just because I write some things. I write some affirmations on my RSI. I just, for example, one thing that I write is, for example, I enter only one position per trade. If you see more entries is one position overall, one position total. I always, another one is I always stick to my risk management. It's just that I can write those things on the RSI. It is not that I'm using the RSI. I just use it to write things that help me be more disciplined. Maybe I'm missing some messages. Maybe I'm missing some charts from some members. If I am, please send them again. It's just that there are many messages in the chat right now, and I'm trying to take a look at all of them. NZD, USD, I just see a supply and a line to the downside. I mean, I don't see where this supply is coming from, but overall, if this is a good supply and you had good confirmation, then you should have entered already. By the time we are already here, could already be too late because the smaller direction is still bullish, just like JPUSD. I'm pretty sure that I'm missing some charts. So if I am, I'm sorry. There are just many messages in the chat. This is okay, perfect. NZD USD. I prefer this chart better overall, and I will wait for the higher order block in this case. I'm appreciating that many people are taking the time to send their chart here, so I take a look at all of them. GP, JPY, 15 minutes. Took buys from here. I don't see from where, but overall they went nice. Took sells from here. Overall direction looks bearish, at least from what I see right here. I need to go on my chart and check. But yeah, break to the downside right here. Retracement to supply, which is in control after breaking demand. Sells from 0.5. And now this after... Yeah, I just wouldn't execute these on a Friday. I will look at these from Monday on. These again, GP CAD 3 minutes. I don't know about the 3 minutes. I will need to look at higher time frame setup. Let's go to GP CAD. Oh, where are you? You are right here. Are you trading from this? And you're looking at 3 minutes. No, for me, I will only execute this trade if we have this confirmation. For now, on the 1 minute, you might say, yes, we do have this, and I agree with you. We broke to the downside, retraced, grabbed the liquidity of this high, sells from here. If you took this sells, great. But overall, I prefer a bigger confirmation right here.